and welcome to the third tutorial on SBE Electric's Timesheet app. This tutorial will cover the new event tool, which allows you to clock in and out of different events. To open the new event tool, click the clock icon on the left-hand sidebar. On this first screen, you will select what kind of event you need to log. They're split up into 4 primary categories: work orders, drive time, miscellaneous time, and taking a break. If you're logging time on a job, also called straight time, you're going to want to select work order. The page will then slide over to allow you to select the current store and order number that you're working. The orders will not pop up until you select a store. The situation may arise where a customer calls in an emergency order for us to complete, and it might not be available in this dropdown. If that happens, just select emergency call instead. There is also a feature that will be coming in a future update that will allow you to select jobs straight from your schedule. You can find that dropdown directly below the orders dropdown, but currently it's not going to do anything. Once you've filled out the necessary information on this page, press the green Select Your Shift button. The final page you're taken to will give you 2 options to select the shift that this event belongs to. Most of the time, you're going to choose the bottom shift, which represents the current date. If, for example, you started a job near midnight on Wednesday, took a lunch, and resumed it Thursday morning, technically that still belongs to your Wednesday shift. In these instances, you'd want to select the first option, which should represent the previous day. Always check to make sure that these dates are correct before you submit. To submit the event, just press the green Start Event button at the bottom. Once you submit, a bubble will appear until the process is complete. When it goes away, the event you logged will appear at the bottom of the event list on the right. The information displayed on that event will be slightly different depending on what kind of event you logged. In this case, we have the store that was worked, its address, and the order number. Every event will also have the start time, the stop time, and the elapsed time at the bottom. You may have also noticed that the clock icon turned green. When you wish to clock out of your current job, just tap the icon again. You must clock out of your current job before you can start another. Next, let's log some drive time. Open the event tool again and select drive time. You'll need to select the current vehicle that you're driving and input its current odometer reading. Once you're done, press the green button at the bottom to select your shift and submit. Once you're finished logging drive time, press the green clock icon to log out. It will ask you for the final odometer reading before clocking you out. Fill it out and press OK. For drive time events, the vehicle driven, the start mileage, stop mileage will be displayed. Now, let's log some miscellaneous time. Open the tool yet again and select miscellaneous time. You'll have 3 options for what you can fill out here, but only one of these is required. If you are logging office time, just check the office time box. If it's warehouse time, select it from the drop-down menu. If it's some other kind of paid time, put a description of what you're doing in the big box at the bottom. You can fill out this box for either of the options above, if you'd like to give your manager more information. Once you're done, select your shift and submit the event. Once it's done submitting, it'll append itself to the bottom, just like the rest. Miscellaneous events are going to have a location and description of what was going on with that event. Finally, if you want to log rest time, you can do so with the event tool. Rest or break time consists of any kind of unpaid time throughout the workday. They're the simplest to fill out. Just open the tool, select take a break, select the shift, and submit. If at any time you want to change the event type you're logging, just press the back button at the top of the tool. To close the tool without submitting what you've done, just press the clock icon again. And with that, we will conclude this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.